How do you fix Thick As Thieves is crashing on Steam? So first you'll need to right click on the game in your library, open up the properties, and then in the launch options you'll need to add -dx11. Now go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is in the description below. Now, from this table here, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64, both of these right here for the redistributables. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. Now, right after the restart, you'll also need to check if you have the latest GPU driver update. So you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And you can check for updates and install them. Next, you will need to right click on Steam and run it as admin before actually launching the game. And once you run it as admin, just open up the game from your library and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.